Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Talk English. I'm Ray.
And I'm Mia. We're so happy you're here today.
Yeah, really happy. So, Mia and I are from the United States, and we love making these videos to help you learn English in a fun, easy way.
That's right. We just talk like normal people. No fancy words, no boring grammar lessons, just conversation.
Exactly. And today, rubbing hands together, we're talking about something I really love.
Let me guess. Food?
Yes, food. Our favorite foods.
I knew it. Ray loves food so much.
I really do. And I think everyone loves food, right? So this is going to be a fun conversation.
Definitely. We're going to talk about our favorite foods, foods we don't like, foods from when we were kids, all kinds of things.
And remember, if you want to practice your English, just listen and repeat after us. That really helps.
Yeah, pause the video, say the sentences with us. It's okay if you make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Perfect. Okay, so let's get started.
So, Ray, before we talk about favorite foods, how was your morning?
Oh, pretty good. I woke up around 7:30, made some coffee.
Coffee first thing, always.
Always. I can't start my day without coffee. What about you?
Same. I had coffee too, and I made toast with butter.
Nice. Simple breakfast.
Yeah, very simple. I'm not a big breakfast person, actually.
Really? I love breakfast.
You love all meals, Ray.
Okay, that's true. I love food. I'm not gonna lie.
Nothing wrong with that.
So, speaking of food, when did you start thinking about favorite foods today?
Well, funny story. This morning, I was looking in my fridge and I saw some cheese.
Okay.
And I thought, wow, I really love cheese. Like, I could eat cheese every day.
Notes. Cheese is amazing.
Right? So then I started thinking about all the foods I love, and I thought this would be a great topic for our video.
Perfect timing because I'm always thinking about food anyway.
I know you are.
Okay, so let's start with this question. What was your favorite food when you were a kid?
Oh, that's easy. Macaroni and cheese.
Mac and cheese, classic.
Yes, my mom made it all the time. The kind from the box, the blue box?
Oh yeah, Kraft mac and cheese, the one with the orange cheese powder?
Exactly, that one. I ate it probably 3 times a week when I was little.
That's a lot of mac and cheese.
I know, but I loved it so much. It was warm and cheesy, and I don't know, it just made me happy.
Comfort food.
Yes, exactly. Comfort food. That's the perfect way to say it.
I get that. Certain foods just make you feel good, you know?
Totally. What about you? What did you love as a kid?
Let me think. I think chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. That's so American.
I know, but they were so good, especially with ketchup.
Did your mom make them, or were they from McDonald's?
Both. My mom would buy the frozen ones at the grocery store and cook them in the oven, but sometimes on special days, we'd go to McDonald's.
Oh, those were the special days.
Yeah, going to McDonald's felt like such a treat when I was a kid.
I remember that feeling too. When my parents said we could go to McDonald's, I was so excited.
Right? It was the best. And I would always get a Happy Meal with chicken nuggets, fries, and a Coke.
And the toy.
Oh yeah, the toy. That was the most important part.
Totally.
But honestly, I just loved chicken nuggets. They were crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and you could dip them in sauces.
What sauce did you like?
Ketchup mostly, sometimes barbecue sauce. What about you? Did you like chicken nuggets too?
Yeah, I liked them, but I wasn't obsessed like you.
Okay, fair. I was definitely obsessed.
Did you eat anything else as a kid, or just chicken nuggets?
No, I ate other things too. I also loved pizza.
Oh, pizza. Yes, everyone loves pizza.
Exactly. Pizza is universal. Everyone likes it.
What kind of pizza did you like?
Just simple cheese pizza. Nothing fancy. Sometimes pepperoni.
Classic choices.
Yeah, I wasn't adventurous with food when I was a kid. I liked simple things.
Me too. I didn't like trying new foods. I wanted the same things every day.
That's so normal for kids, I think.
Definitely. Now I like trying new foods, but back then, no way.
Same. Now I'll try almost anything, but when I was little, I was picky.
Okay, so that was when we were kids. What about now? What's your favorite food today?
Ooh, good question. I think tacos.
Tacos, great choice.
Yeah, I love tacos so much. I could eat them every day and never get tired of them.
What kind of tacos?
Any kind, really, but my favorite are probably carne asada tacos.
Ooh, with the grilled beef?
Yes, grilled beef, cilantro, onions, lime, salsa. So good.
That sounds delicious. Are we getting tacos after this?
Maybe. I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Me too.
There's this place near my apartment that makes amazing tacos. I go there probably once a week.
Once a week? Wow.
I know, I can't help it. They're just so good. And they're not expensive either.
That's the best. Good food that doesn't cost a lot.
Exactly. 3 tacos, a drink, and it's like $8 or $9.
That's a great deal.
Yeah, so I keep going back. Smiles.
I don't blame you.
What about you, Mia? What's your favorite food now?
This is hard because I love so many foods.
Take your time.
Okay, I think sushi.
Sushi. Nice.
Yeah, I didn't like sushi when I was younger, but now I love it.
What made you start liking it?
Well, a few years ago, my friend took me to a sushi restaurant. I was nervous because I'd never tried it before.
Nervous about the raw fish?
Exactly. I thought, I don't know if I can eat raw fish,
Yeah, that's a common feeling.
right? But my friend said, just try one piece. If you don't like it, you don't have to eat more.
Good friend.
Yeah, so I tried one piece of salmon sushi, and I loved it.
Really? Just like that?
Just like that. I couldn't believe it. It was so fresh, and the texture was nice, and the flavor was delicate. That's the right word, right? Delicate?
Yeah, that's perfect. Sushi has a delicate flavor.
Yes. So now I go to sushi restaurants all the time.
What's your favorite kind of sushi?
I love salmon. Salmon rolls, salmon sushi, anything with salmon.
Classic choice. Salmon is probably the most popular.
I also like spicy tuna rolls.
Oh yeah, those are great. I like the spicy kick.
Me too. And I always get edamame as an appetizer.
Those green soybeans?
Yeah, you just pop them out of the shell and eat them with salt. So simple, but so good.
I love edamame too. It's a healthy snack.
Exactly. I feel good eating it.
Yeah, it's not like eating chicken nuggets.
No, definitely not. So we talked about favorite foods, but what about comfort foods? You know, foods that make you feel better when you're sad or tired.
Ooh, that's a great question. Comfort foods are important.
Yeah, they are.
For me, it's probably soup.
Soup? What kind?
Chicken noodle soup.
Aw, that's so classic.
I know, but it really works. When I'm sick or when I'm having a bad day, I make chicken noodle soup.
Does it make you feel better?
Always. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the warm broth or the soft noodles or just, the memories of my mom making it for me when I was a kid.
Aw, that's sweet.
Yeah, food and memories are connected,
Definitely, that's so true. When we eat certain foods, we remember feelings from the past.
Exactly. So chicken noodle soup reminds me of being safe and cared for.
I love that.
So what about you? What's your comfort food?
Mine is ice cream.
Because you love ice cream. I see you eating it all the time.
Okay, true. I do love ice cream.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate chip cookie dough.
Ooh, that's a good one. With the little chunks of cookie dough in it?
Yes, those little chunks are the best part.
Do you eat ice cream when you're sad?
Sometimes, but also when I'm happy or bored or celebrating. Okay, I eat ice cream a lot.
No judgment here. Ice cream is delicious.
Thank you. But yeah, when I'm having a hard day, I'll sit on my couch with a bowl of ice cream and watch a movie.
That sounds perfect.
It is. It makes everything better. Well, not everything, but it helps.
I get that. Sometimes you just need a little treat.
Exactly. Life is hard sometimes. We deserve treats.
Absolutely. Ice cream is a good choice.
Do you like ice cream too, Ray?
Yeah, of course. I like vanilla ice cream with hot fudge on top.
Ooh, a sundae.
Kind of. Just vanilla ice cream and hot fudge. Sometimes whipped cream too.
That sounds amazing.
It is. The contrast of cold ice cream and hot fudge? Chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss. I love it.
It's the perfect combination.
Okay, we've talked about foods we love, but what about foods you don't like?
Oh, interesting. Yeah, everyone has foods they don't like.
Right? So what food do you not like, Ray?
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms? Really?
Yeah, I don't like them. The texture's weird to me.
The texture? Like they're too soft?
Yeah, kind of slimy and spongy. I can't explain it. I just don't enjoy eating them.
That's fair. Everyone has their own tastes.
Have you ever felt that way about a food? Like the texture just bothers you?
Oh yeah, definitely. For me, it's oysters.
Oysters? The shellfish?
Yeah, I tried them once and I hated the texture. They're so slippery.
Slippery. That's a good word for it.
Right? They just slide down your throat. It's so weird.
I've never tried oysters, and now I don't think I want to.
Yeah, maybe skip them.
Do you have any other foods you don't like?
Let me think. Oh, I don't really like black licorice.
Oh, the candy.
Yeah, some people love it, but I think it tastes like medicine.
I've heard that before. A lot of people say that.
It's true. It has this strange, strong flavor. I don't get why people like it.
Yeah, black licorice is definitely a love it or hate it kind of food.
Exactly. I'm in the hate it category.
Fair enough. What about you? Any other foods you don't like?
Let me think. Oh, anchovies.
The little fish?
Yeah, the little salty fish they put on pizzas sometimes.
Oh, I've seen those. They're very salty, right?
Super salty, and they have a strong fishy taste. I tried them once on pizza and I didn't like it at all.
Did you pick them off the pizza?
Yes, I picked them all off, but the pizza still tasted like anchovies.
Oh no. So the flavor stayed on the pizza?
Yeah, I couldn't escape it.
That's so funny. So now you avoid anchovies.
Absolutely, never again.
I don't blame you. It's interesting, right? How we all have different tastes.
Yeah, what one person loves, another person hates.
Exactly. And that's okay. We don't all have to like the same things.
That would be boring anyway.
True. Variety is good. So, Mia, do you have a favorite restaurant?
Ooh, yes. There's this Italian restaurant near my house. It's called Giovanni's.
Giovanni's. Sounds authentic.
It is. The owner is actually from Italy. His name is Giovanni.
That's perfect. So it's his restaurant.
Yeah, he opened it about 10 years ago, and the food is amazing.
What do you usually order there?
I always get the pasta carbonara.
Ooh, the one with cream sauce and bacon?
Well, sort of. Real carbonara doesn't have cream. It's just eggs, cheese, bacon, and pasta.
Oh, interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah, a lot of people think carbonara has cream, but the traditional Italian way doesn't.
I learned something new. That's cool.
And at Giovanni's, they make it the traditional way. It's so good.
Now I want to try it. Can I come with you next time?
Of course. We should go together.
Deal.
What about you, Ray? Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yeah, there's a barbecue place I love. It's called Smokey Joe's.
Barbecue, yum.
Yeah, they make the best ribs. They're smoked for hours, so the meat is really tender.
That sounds incredible.
It is. And they have amazing sides too. Mac and cheese, coleslaw, cornbread.
Stop! You're making me hungry.
Sorry, but it's just so good.
Do you go there often?
Maybe once a month. It's a little far from my place, so I don't go every week. But whenever I go, it's worth it.
That's how you know it's good, when you're willing to travel for it.
Exactly. Food creates such good memories, doesn't it? Oh yeah, definitely. Some of my best memories involve food.
Same. Like, I remember my grandma's apple pie.
Oh, tell me about it.
Well, every Thanksgiving, my grandma would make this apple pie. It was my favorite dessert.
Was it a special recipe?
Yeah, it was her own recipe. She never wrote it down, she just knew it by heart.
Wow, that's special.
It was. And the pie was always perfect. The crust was flaky, the apples were sweet and a little tart, and she put cinnamon on top.
That sounds heavenly.
It was. My grandma passed away a few years ago, so I can't have her pie anymore.
Oh, me, I'm sorry.
Thank you. But you know what? Every time I smell cinnamon and apples, I think of her, and it makes me smile.
That's beautiful. Food really does connect us to people we love.
It does. Smiles. Do you have a memory like that?
Yeah, actually, my dad used to make pancakes every Saturday morning.
Aw, that's a nice tradition.
It was. He would make a huge stack of pancakes and we'd all sit together and eat breakfast as a family.
That sounds wonderful.
It was. Those Saturday mornings were special. No rushing, no stress, just pancakes and family time.
Do you still eat pancakes now?
Yeah, and every time I make them, I think of my dad.
That's so sweet.
Food is powerful, you know? It's not just about eating, it's about love and memory and connection.
I couldn't agree more.
Wow, Mia, we talked a lot about food today.
We really did. Laughs. I think we could talk about food for hours.
Honestly, yeah, there's so much to say.
So let's do a quick recap for everyone watching.
Good idea. So today we talked about our favorite foods from childhood. For me, chicken nuggets and pizza.
And for me, mac and cheese.
Then we talked about our favorite foods now. I said tacos.
And I said sushi.
We talked about comfort foods. Mine is chicken noodle soup.
And mine is ice cream.
We even talked about foods we don't like. I don't like mushrooms or anchovies.
And I don't like oysters or black licorice.
And finally, we shared some food memories and favorite restaurants.
Yeah, food is so much more than just food. It's about memories, culture, family, and friends.
Exactly. Every food has a story.
And I hope everyone watching thinks about their own food stories.
Yeah, what's your favorite food? What foods remind you of home? We'd love to know.
Leave a comment below and tell us. We read all the comments.
And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to Just Talk English if you haven't already.
We make new videos every week to help you practice English in a natural, fun way.
And remember, the best way to learn is to practice. So talk with friends, watch English videos, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Mistakes are part of learning.
Okay, thanks so much for watching today, everyone.
Yeah, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.